Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to send Jotform submission to Telegram channel. So I am running an online retail store and I have added a feedback form that I've created with the help of Jotform on my website. Now whenever a new customer leaves a feedback by filling out that form, then automatically by using all the detail of that form submission, I want to send a channel message on Telegram to my team. So here for my objective, I'm going to connect Jotform and Telegram. And for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software. And here with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission from Jotform, then automatically by using those details, I'm going to send a message on my Telegram group or Telegram channel. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can send Jotform submission to Telegram channel. So imagine I run an online retail store and I use Jotform to collect customer feedback or product inquiries. Now I want my customer support team to be instantly notified for the new submission via a dedicated Telegram channel. Now I want this so that they can address customer feedbacks and inquiries promptly, and instead of manually checking for new submission in Jotform, Pabbly Connect will allow me to automate the process of sending each new submission directly to Telegram channel. So here I'm going to set up a connection between Jotform and Telegram in such a way that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission, then automatically with that form submission, I'm going to send a message on my Telegram channel. So here, for every new feedback that I'm going to get through my customer from my Jotform submission, then automatically I'm going to send that feedback details automatically on my Telegram channel. So here for setting up this connection, I need to use Pabbly Connect. And with Pabbly Connect, I can build this connection between Jotform and Telegram without any coding and programming skills. So here I can just build this automation, and for this I need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And you will get to see this page and it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this create workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send Jotform submission to Telegram channel. Now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab. And here I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And here I have this particular folder of Jotform. So I'm going to select this. And I need to click on create. And here this will direct us to this most important window of our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here I need to first set up my trigger, and here in our workflow, we can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up my trigger, what I need to do is I need to search for my trigger application, and here I'm going to use Jotform, and I'm going to select Jotform as my trigger application now. Here I have to give my trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab. And new response will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Jotform with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Jotform and Pabbly Connect, and for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. So first I need to copy this webhook URL. I will take you to my Jotform, and in Jotform I have created this feedback form. Now I'm going to connect this feedback form with Pabbly Connect, and for that I need to go to settings, and here in settings I need to go to integrations, and here in integrations I need to search for webhooks. So I'm going to search for that, and I need to open webhooks here. Now here I have to add my webhook, so I'm going to first clear this. And here in this tab, I'm going to add my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I have added my webhook, so I'm going to complete my integration. So I'm going to click here. And here my integration is ready and I have successfully connected Jotform with Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on finish. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, what I need to do is I need to first create a new form submission. And in my form submission, I need to fill all the detail of my customer and the feedback. And as I'm going to create that form submission, then automatically I will get that response here in Pabbly Connect. So for this, let me take you to my Jotform. I will go to publish and I'm going to open my form in a new tab so that I can create a new form submission. So I'm going to click on open in new tab. And here this is my feedback form. Now as a customer, I'm going to fill all these details. And here my first name is going to be Michael. Last name will be Karas. Email will be michaelkaras@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number of my customer. Also, I have to give the city, that is going to be Bhopal. Now I have to fill my feedback details. So how satisfied are you with our experience? So I'm going to select 5 here. What did you like the most about our service or product? So I'm going to type that. And I really like the quality, so I have typed that. Now I have to select the option, would you recommend us to others? I'm going to select yes. And if I want to give any additional comments or suggestion, then I can give that too. So I'm going to type that too. I really enjoyed my customer experience. Now I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to click on submit. And here I have successfully submitted my feedback form. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So here in this response, I have received all the detail of my form submission that I've created in my feedback form in Jotform. So here I have my customer city, that is Bhopal. I have the random phone number of my customer. I have the email address, that is michaelkaras@pabblytudes.com. I have the first name, that is Michael. I have the last name, that is Karas. And I have all the detail of the feedback. So here this is the additional detail that I have added. Like I really enjoyed my customer experience. I have selected yes, that I want to recommend them. Also I have added I really like the quality and I have given the rating for how satisfied I am with their experience. So I have given 5 here. Now here we can see I have received all these details of my form submission. Now what I need to do is that as I have received this form submission, I automatically want to use these details and I want to send a message on Telegram channel with all the detail of my form submission so that I can share this with my customer support team and I can notify them that we have received a new feedback from our feedback form. So here for sending the message on Telegram channel, I need to set up my actions tab. And here I need to search for my action application. So I'm going to search for Telegram here. And I'm going to select Telegram bot here. Now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and send a text message or reply will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I'm going to connect Telegram bot with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And here for connecting Telegram bot with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a token. So for getting this token, what I need to do is I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to take you to my Telegram account. And here I need to first create a new bot. So here I need to first search for a bot that is named as bot father. So I'm going to search for that. And here by using bot father, I'm going to create a new bot. So I'm going to click on start. And here I need to click on this hamburger icon and I need to select new bot so that I can create a new bot. Now here I have to give a name to my bot and that is going to be Pabbly customer support team. So I'm going to type that and I'm going to send this. Now here this is going to be the name of my bot and now I have to give a username. So here while giving a username, I have to make sure that my username ends with _bot. So I'm going to type my username here and that will be Pabbly customer support team _bot and I'm going to send this. And here we can see I have successfully created this bot and I have received this token. Now I'm going to first copy this token and I'm going to open my bot and I'm going to start that. Now I have to take you back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that token that I've copied from Telegram and I'm going to paste the token of my bot here. Now I have added the required details, so I'm going to click on save. And here I have connected Telegram bot with Pabbly Connect. Now for sending the message on my Telegram channel, I first need a chat ID. So for getting this chat ID, I need to first create a Telegram channel where I have to add my customer support team, and also I have to make sure that my bot is also added in that particular channel. And as I'm going to add that bot, I have to make sure I have promoted my bot as an admin so that he can send the messages on my channel. So let me take you back to Telegram. And here I need to first create a channel. So I'm going to click on this pencil icon button. I will click on new channel. And here now I'm going to add my bot and all the team members. Now here I have to give my channel name, and here my channel name is going to be Pabbly Customer Support Team. And now I have added all the required members. Now I'm going to click on next. Now here we can see I have successfully created this channel, and now I'm going to open my channel. And here in my channel we can see I have added my bot and I have promoted my bot as an admin. So this is an important step, and you have to add your bot as an admin so that we can send the messages on Telegram channel. Here you can't use Telegram web for promoting bot as an admin. You have to use your mobile phone and you have to promote your bot in your channel as an admin. Now I have added that. Now I'm going to close this, and here I want my chat ID for this particular channel. So in my path URL with this dash, I have my chat ID. So I'm going to copy all this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here in this chat ID. Now I have to give a text message. So here I'm going to give the text message that I'm going to send to notify my team on my Telegram channel with all the detail of the feedback that my customer has sent. So I'm going to type my text message here. New feedback alert, and here are the details. Now in this message I'm going to add my feedback detail, like I have to add the customer name, email, phone number, city, and all the answers to these questions that I have in my form submission. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Jotform submission, and by using the responses of my form submission, I'm going to map all the detail of my feedback that my customer has filled in my form submission, and I'm going to map those details here in this text message. So for that I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here, I will give a space, and I need to map the name of my customer. So I'm going to open this response of Jotform, and here this is the first name of my customer. So I'm going to map this, I will give a space, and I'm going to map the last name. Similarly, I'm going to give the email address. So I need to click here, I will give a space, I will open this response of Jotform. And here this is the email address. So I'm going to map this. Now similarly, I'm going to map the phone number and the city. Now I have to give the answer to these questions that my customer has filled to give the feedback. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Jotform. And here this is the answer of this question. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I'm going to map all these answers. Now here in my message, I have mapped all the required details, and I have mapped these details from my response of Jotform. Now here I have mapped all these details, so I have made all these details dynamic. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission from Jotform, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here will get replaced with the new details in the real time. And every time I'm going to receive a new form submission, then automatically I'm going to send all the detail of that feedback from my form submission to Telegram channel as a new message. Now I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Quiz button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that automatically I have sent a message on my Telegram channel with all the detail of my feedback that I have received through Jotform. So to check whether I have sent the message or not, let me take you to Telegram. And here in Telegram we can see I am on my channel of Pabbly Customer Support Team. And in this, I have just received this new message, that is new feedback alert, and here are the details. So I have the customer name, that is Michael Karras. I have the email, that is michaelkarras@pabblytudes.com. I have the phone number, and I have the city, that is Bhopal. Also in this, I have received all the feedback answers that my customer has filled in my form submission, and I have sent all these feedback details as a message on my Telegram channel where I have my customer support team. So here I have successfully created this connection between Jotform and Telegram, and now whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission from Jotform for the feedback for my online retail store, then automatically I'm going to send a notification message on Telegram channel for that feedback to notify my team. So here I have successfully created this automation, and I have created this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. And now I'm going to send all the form submission from Jotform to Telegram channel. So here I've created this automation and I've built this connection without any coding and programming skills, just with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have connected Jotform with Telegram bot to automatically send Jotform submission to Telegram channel. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I've set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Jotform and my trigger event was new response. Then I've set up my actions tab, and my action application was Telegram bot, and my action event was send a text message or reply. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to add the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.